Adding Google reviews to system.io is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open the web browser. Then search here for ELF site. Now click to open its site. Once you get into its site, tap on Sign Up Free from here. Then click to continue with Google. Choose your account and continue. Now search Google Reviews in the app catalog. So, tap to open Google Reviews app, then you can choose different templates from here. And tap to create with this template. Then, open up the new tab and search for Google Maps. Tap to open the Google Maps. Select a random location from here and copy the location name. Get back to Google Reviews and paste the name of the location in source. Then tap to search and you can see the review template. You can make a custom change in your review template. Then click on the appearance icon and you can change the color scheme from here. Now tap on Reviews. You can change the reviews templates. When you're done with everything, click to publish the review. But you need to pick up a plan to install the widget. So, select the free plan, then click to publish the review. Once the review is published, click on 3 dots and go into its embedded code. Then, tap to copy the code from here. And use the code above in system.io to add these reviews there.